Everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank 1 transaction not showing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Sometimes the app does not refresh automatically, so recent transactions may not appear immediately. Next, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent your account from updating properly, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and log out of your account and log back in. This forces the app to refresh your account data and often makes missing transactions appear. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the SpareBank 1 mobile banking app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, as outdated versions may not sync correctly. Then keep in mind that some transactions, especially bank transfers or international payments, may take time to process, so wait for a few hours and check again. If the transactions still do not appear, contact the SpareBank 1 customer support for further assistance. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 transaction not showing. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and